Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minutes Solution. Hopes you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to increase your internet browsing speed by changing DNS server. Friends, our internet service provider sets an automatic DNS server that could be slow. Maybe this is one of the reasons for slow internet. But after today, you can select high-speed DNS server by yourself. So friends, to set high-speed DNS server for browsing fastest internet, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minutes Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notification, my friends. Friends, now I'll show you my DNS server, which one I'll change now. For this, you have to go on Windows dialog box, then you have to type here CMD. Then command prompt will appear on the top. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator. After that, user account control will ask you to give the permission, so you have to click on Yes, my friends. Then command prompt will open and you have to type here ipconfig ipconfig space then slash, then you have to type here all all. Then my friends, simply you have to press enter. And my friends, see, here is DNS server, right? 192.168.31.1, right? I'll change this DNS server, my friends. So friends, close this one. Friends, to get fastest DNS server, you have to download a software. For this, you have to go your internet browser. Then you have to type here DNS benchmark, DNS space BENCHMARK, DNS benchmark, right? Then you have to press enter. And see, my friends, www.grc.com, right? You have to go on that website. Then you have to click on here, my friends. And my friends, to download DNS benchmark, simply you have to click on this picture. Just click once and the software will be downloaded automatically, my friends. And see, my friends, I can open from here and also I can open from download option, right? So I want to open from here, my friends. So click on here. So friends, this software I want to move in desktop and I want to install from over there, my friends. Friends, before I have already installed once this software, my friends. Friends, you can install this software easily, my friends. It's like other software, my friends. Just you have to double click on it, my friends. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to give the check mark to the license policy. Then again you have to give next, my friends. So friends, now I can open this software. To open this software, I have to double click on it. And see, my friends, it has been opened, right? After that, I have to click on name servers. And see, my friends, I have to wait few seconds here to load. Done, my friends, right? After that, you have to click on run benchmark, my friends. So click on here. And see, my friends, it has been started, right? Friends, you can stop running anytime, my friends. When you will get a highest speed DNS server, then you can stop, my friends. See, my friends, I got a highest speed, right? So I can click on stop running. See, my friends, this one was my DNS server, right? 192.168.31.1, right? But this one is more speed than my one, right? So I can select this DNS server, my friends, 216.27175.2, right? So this DNS server will be my new DNS server, my friends. Friends, you have to note down this number because you have to type this number in settings, my friend. So 216.207.175.2, right? Friends, now we can close this one. Friends, to type new DNS server, you have to go on start menu. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on settings. Then you have to go on network and internet. After that, you have to click on Ethernet. Then, my friends, you have to click on change adapter options. Now, my friends, if you are using Ethernet, so you have to select Ethernet, and if you are using Wi-Fi, so you have to select Wi-Fi, my friends. So I'm using Wi-Fi, that's why I'll select Wi-Fi. Then I have to click right button of my mouse. Then I have to click on properties. Then, my friends, I have to select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then again you have to click on properties. And see, my friends, here obtain an IP address automatically, right? And also DNS server address automatically, right? But now I'll select this one, my friend, the second one. Use the following DNS server address. So select this one. After that I have to type that DNS server, my friends. Which one you write down? It was 216, then 27, then 175, then it was 2, right? After that you have to click on OK, my friends. Then you have to close this one. Friends, in command prompt I'll check now the new DNS server has been set up or not, my friends. So close this one, my friends. Go on Windows dialog box, then write down here CMD. Then, my friends, you have to click right button of your mouse. Then you have to click on run as administrator. Then user account control will ask you to give the permission, so you have to click on yes, my friends. After that you have to write down here ipconfig, then space, my friend, then slash, then all ALL, right? Then simply have to press enter, my friends. And see, my friends, DNS server has been changed, right? Friends, before my DNS server was 192.168.31.1, right? But now I have changed, right? Now here is high speed DNS server, my friends. That was 216.27.175.2, right? So friends, like this we can choose high speed DNS server to get highest speed of internet, my friends. Friends, still if you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution and press the bell icon to get next video notification, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Take care, my friends.